Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Torque Horizon. Here we explore the latest cars, the most exciting automotive innovations, and the future of driving. Today, we'll take a closer look at the 2027 Volvo XC40, a compact SUV that has built a reputation for combining Scandinavian elegance with everyday practicality. From its stunning exterior design, futuristic cabin, and performance, we'll also discuss why the 2027 XC40 remains one of the most compelling compact luxury SUVs on the market. Let's get started. From the outside, the 2027 Volvo XC40 is expected to preserve the distinctive Scandinavian design philosophy that has made the XC40 instantly recognizable. Rather than relying on excessive styling details or aggressive body lines, Volvo's approach is more sophisticated. The new XC40 could feature a cleaner, more aerodynamic silhouette, combining a compact footprint with a stronger and more athletic stance. At the front, we can expect Volvo's signature lighting design to remain one of the SUV's most recognizable features. The iconic Thor's hammer-inspired LED headlights could receive a more modern interpretation, potentially featuring slimmer lighting elements and advanced adaptive LED technology. The lights may integrate seamlessly into a redesigned front fascia, giving the XC40 a more confident and futuristic appearance. The grille area could also evolve depending on the powertrain. A traditional version may retain a refined grille design, while electrified variants could feature a cleaner, more closed-off front section to improve aerodynamic efficiency. The lower bumper could become more sculpted, with larger air openings and carefully integrated aerodynamic elements. Instead of looking overly aggressive, the design would likely maintain Volvo's signature balance between elegance and strength. Moving toward the side, the 2027 XC40 could continue with its distinctive upright SUV proportions. The compact dimensions make the XC40 especially appealing for urban environments, while the elevated ride height provides the commanding driving position many SUV buyers want. Large alloy wheels, sculpted door panels, and a strong shoulder line could give the vehicle a more dynamic appearance. The roofline is expected to remain relatively upright, helping preserve interior practicality and rear seat headroom. At the rear, Volvo could introduce slimmer LED taillights with a more sophisticated light signature. The vertical rear lighting elements are already an important part of Volvo's design identity, and the 2027 XC40 could refine this concept with sharper graphics and more advanced LED technology. The rear bumper could also receive a cleaner design, reducing unnecessary visual clutter and creating a more premium appearance. Overall, the exterior of the 2027 Volvo XC40 could represent an evolution rather than a complete revolution. It would still look unmistakably like a Volvo, but potentially more futuristic, more aerodynamic, and more technologically advanced. Step inside the 2027 Volvo XC40, and the Scandinavian philosophy becomes even more obvious. The interior is expected to focus on simplicity, premium materials, and intelligent technology. Rather than filling the dashboard with dozens of physical buttons, Volvo could continue moving toward a cleaner digital cockpit. At the center of the dashboard, we could see a large vertical or portrait-oriented touchscreen serving as the primary interface for navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and connected services. The system could feature an updated version of Volvo's Google-powered infotainment ecosystem, offering access to navigation, voice assistance, and a variety of connected features. The digital instrument cluster in front of the driver could provide customizable information, including speed, navigation directions, driving assistance data, and energy or fuel consumption. But technology isn't the only focus. Volvo has always placed a strong emphasis on comfort and safety, and the 2027 XC40 should continue that tradition. The front seats could feature improved ergonomic designs with high-quality materials and enhanced adjustment options. Depending on the trim level, buyers could have access to premium upholstery, sustainable materials, metallic accents, and soft-touch surfaces throughout the cabin. The minimalist dashboard design could create a feeling of openness, while carefully positioned ambient lighting may add a more luxurious atmosphere during nighttime driving. Despite being a compact SUV, practicality should remain one of the XC40's strongest qualities. One of the biggest highlights could be Volvo's next generation of safety technology. The 2027 XC40 is expected to continue offering advanced driver assistance systems, potentially including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, and enhanced parking assistance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood or, depending on the version, what's powering the vehicle beneath the floor. The 2027 Volvo XC40 could be offered with a range of electrified powertrains, reflecting Volvo's broader transition toward electrification. Depending on the market, buyers may see efficient mild hybrid gasoline engines alongside fully electric variants. The mild hybrid models could focus on delivering a smooth balance between performance and efficiency. A compact turbocharged engine combined with a 48-volt mild hybrid system could provide responsive acceleration while helping reduce fuel consumption during everyday driving. The power delivery would likely prioritize refinement rather than aggressive performance. For drivers who want something more exciting, Volvo could continue offering higher output variants with all-wheel drive. These models could deliver stronger acceleration and improved traction, particularly in wet or snowy conditions. However, the most interesting version could be the fully electric XC40, or its successor within Volvo's evolving electric SUV lineup. An electric powertrain could provide instant torque, smooth acceleration, and near-silent operation. Depending on battery capacity and configuration, the 2027 model could potentially offer a competitive driving range, making it suitable for both urban commuting and longer road trips. Fast charging technology could also play an important role. With faster charging capabilities, drivers could spend less time waiting at charging stations and more time on the road. The electric version could also benefit from a lower center of gravity thanks to its battery placement, improving stability and handling. And while the XC40 isn't designed to be a high-performance sports SUV, the combination of instant electric torque and all-wheel drive could make it surprisingly quick. The 2027 Volvo XC40 with its refined Scandinavian design, futuristic technology, premium interior, advanced safety systems, and potentially electrified powertrains, the next XC40 could be one of the most compelling compact luxury SUVs for drivers looking for something different. It could be stylish enough for the city, comfortable enough for long journeys, practical enough for everyday family life, and technologically advanced enough to feel ready for the next generation of driving. Of course, exact specifications, pricing, performance figures, and availability will depend on Volvo's official announcements and the market where the vehicle is sold. But one thing is clear: the future of the compact luxury SUV is becoming more intelligent, more electrified, and more sophisticated, and the 2027 Volvo XC40 could be right at the center of that transformation. What do you think about the 2027 Volvo XC40? Would you choose the electrified version, or would you prefer a traditional hybrid or gasoline powertrain? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look at the future of Volvo, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next automotive update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.